Stop making boring banana cake. Try these hidden upgrades. Is your banana cake a bit boring? What if I told you it holds amazing secrets? We're taking this humble bake from May to magnificent. Your path to the ultimate banana cake starts now. Let's be real, banana cake can be uninspired, often just a way to use spotty bananas. But what if it could be incredibly moist and flavorful? Today, we're perfecting the classic and then adding game-changing hidden upgrades, like caramel swirls and black sesame. Let's upgrade. First, we perfect the classic. Use super ripe bananas. Oven ripen them if needed. Cream softened butter with granulated and brown sugar for flavor and moisture. Add eggs, then your dry ingredients with baking soda and buttermilk or sour cream for tang and tenderness. The golden rule? Don't overmix. Fold in mashed bananas gently. This perfect base is ready for upgrades. Time for upgrades. First, a salted caramel swirl. Imagine gooey, buttery salted caramel ribboned through your banana cake. It adds chewiness, richness, and a fantastic sweet-salty balance. Simply drizzle your caramel sauce over half the batter, top with the rest, or dollop and swirl. Feeling adventurous? Try a black sesame twist. Toasted, ground black sesame seeds or paste create a nutty, earthy, and subtly savory contrast to the sweet banana. Mix the paste into a portion of your batter and swirl it for a stunning marbled effect and a sophisticated, umami-rich flavor. So, why do these work? The caramel adds a salty counterpoint to sweetness and a gooey texture. Black sesame brings nutty, toasty notes that balance the banana and add sophisticated depth. It's all about creating complex, exciting flavor layers. Imagine these beauties. The caramel swirl cake with golden ribbons peeking through. Slice it to reveal gooey caramel. The taste? Sweet banana meets rich, buttery, salty caramel. A comforting flavor, super exciting. Then, the black sesame cake, with its stunning dark swirls. The taste is a nutty, toasty adventure, beautifully balancing the banana's sweetness with a sophisticated, savory depth. Two distinct, vibrant, anything but boring cakes. So, which will you try first? Decadent salted caramel or sophisticated black sesame? Let me know in the comments. The full recipe for the classic cake and both upgrades is in the description. If you loved these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more delicious baking adventures. Your ultimate banana cake adventure is just beginning. We've perfected a classic and explored two incredible upgrades. Baking should be fun, creative, and delicious. So ditch ordinary, try these upgrades, and enjoy every bite. Happy baking, and see you next time!